Hello family, good afternoon. I hope you guys are doing well today wherever you are. I'm out here on the homestead as usual, trying to get some stuff done today. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do today, guys, but I know I have some. I'm gonna do some watering with my plants. I have my cauliflower and my broccoli, and I need to give them some water, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna probably get some stuff done. In the goat pen, we have to do some work in the goat pen and get the goat pen together for the newborns that we're expecting on the homestead. So that I'm going to do today, and my niece is here. She's going to help me water. So if you're interested in, just getting some things done around on the homestead, stick around and you'll see what I have to do. And in case this is your first time to the channel, my name is Marsha, my husband's name is Cleve, and we are Jamaican, just living the homestead life, all right? So stick around and I'll see you in a minute, all right? Plenty of water. So these are some of my Swiss chard. They're pretty young, but they're growing nicely, guys. So I'm hoping to have some nice Swiss chard eventually here, and I have some more over here as well that I was transplanting my Swiss chard, and they're looking nice and healthy, guys. So I'm really looking forward to see how these come out. Last year I planted some and they did pretty good, but I didn't have a lot. So I think this year I'm hoping to have some nice Swiss chard going. This morning I came out and they look a little bit they were looking like low, so I'm like, they do need some water, so just getting some water in them. So I'm hoping that I'll have some nice carrots this year, well, this season. Wish I planted more, but this is all I have for now. So these are my carrots that are coming up nicely. So I give you guys a little bit of the water, kind of take them down a little bit, but they'll be back up once they get into the water soaking there. They'll come right back up. So so this is what the cauliflower, they're looking really nice, guys. They're coming up really nice. They're growing nicely. I can't wait to see cauliflower comes up inside of it, but there's nothing in it yet. See, there's nothing in there yet, but eventually we'll have some cauliflower. So guys, I have a few Swiss chard over here as well, and in this area, these are the Swiss chard, the rest of them. And over here I have my freshly planted, I plant these about maybe 3 weeks ago or so, I planted these collard green, and they're growing nicely, guys. They're looking good, they're looking healthy. I think I have some spots where they've been eaten up a little bit by some type of insect, but I'm gonna take care of that eventually. So as you can see, I'm just trying to make sure they're holding up nicely. I have a lot of pine, as you know, pine tree, wild pine tree, Homestead, plenty of pine, and you know, pine can be acidic to the garden, and we can't help it, they're gonna be here. So I try to, you know, whatever I can do to get rid of them, but you can't, because you can see fall. So see over here, I said I have something that's eating up my plants. As you can see, look at this. Something is taking a nice little chunk out of that, but I guess they gotta eat too, guys. So that's what's happening. These are all the collard green. They're growing nicely, but I think I'm gonna have to spray them a little bit, because I noticed that, as I told you, that they've been eaten by some type of bug. So that's what the garden is looking like. Yeah. So, alright folks, I'm gonna take you guys up the boat pen, and I'm gonna see what Mr. Lewin is doing up here. So stay tuned. I'll see you in a bit. This winter we're actually trying to extend our garden. So this tree here, we're cutting it out because I don't know what type of tree it is. It has this type of padding on it. I bet somebody can actually tell me what type of tree it is. See, this is the pads that we get on it. I don't know what type of tree. So Mr. Lewin is cutting it up because we want to extend the garden out here. I'm going to extend the garden from this end here. As you can see, we have these pine straw here that we're gonna spread out on the ground and prepare that for the spring. So we're trying to do that now. It's now December, so hopefully we can get this prepared to plant our watermelon, our squash, and all that stuff. So that's what we're doing right now, so so we can have some more fruits and, you know, veggies in the garden. So Mr. Lewin is trying to cut this out, and we'll extend the garden. This is my niece Danielle. She's the one that's been on the camera helping me out.
Hi guys.
And she has her own channel. She's growing pretty fast too, guys. She's growing faster than I did. So I keep telling her, encouraging her to you know, continue with her channel.
Yes.
And what's the name of your channel again, Danielle?
It's Dani Lin Travels. DANILIN Travels.
Okay, so
yes.
there you go, guys. So she's actually doing her. She been traveling. Where you been this year?
So I traveled to the West Coast. I drove from Georgia all the way to California, and I just returned a week ago, of course, to make my first stop at my favorite auntie.
And one of my favorite nieces.
Yes,
so
let's be fair.
yes, because we have a whole lot, so I don't want to offend anybody.
Let's be fair.
All right, so yes, so that's Danielle, and thanks for helping out, Danielle.
Of
So
course.
I'll see you guys in a little bit, guys. Stay. What you
have to get ready.
Stay ready. You stay ready so you won't have to get ready. You're recycling your nails.
Yep, nails, pilot foot.
You sure not the other way around?
What? What? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it, man.
You know you on camera, right? You know you're on camera, right, Clint? You on camera. So go ahead and run your mouth so the people can listen to you. Yeah, just go ahead and keep talking. Yeah, guys, that's my brother, my favorite brother from Florida, running his mouth as usual. You remember the one you saw dancing? That's him. Always running his mouth. You know, he camera shy. He didn't say nothing more. Imagine he's not even on the camera. He's just talking and he didn't say nothing more. Yeah. So that's how it's gonna fit right there. Okay. All right. So this is the next one that we have to put the gate on, and then this one we already have the gate here. Yeah. So.
You want to make money? You call me and I'll teach you how to make money.
Okay. Whatever.
Okay, guys. So there go the gate. Mr. Lowen did a nice little job on there. So I guess you'll put what are you gonna do with this piece, babe? So he's getting ready to put this piece there to just stop it. Hold on a second. So we're gonna put this piece here, and then that will stop the gate from coming open when the goats are inside, right, babe? Yeah. So this will be a nice little station for the mommies when they have their babies. So that's why we're building this up. So, all right, guys, we'll be back. Stay tuned. Okay, Pine Tree family, as you can see, we had to do some random things on the homestead today, and I wanted to just give you a nice little update on the garden, and it's coming along real nicely. Let me know what you're doing, if you're planting your fall garden, and what you're doing on your homestead at this time of the year. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support on the channel. If you made it this far in the video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up on the video, and leave a nice sweet comment down below what you're doing on your homestead. I will see you in the next one. Walk good, stay safe, and stay on your purpose. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Bye.